All right, to learn how to take a picture, first thing you need to do is go down to the search bar right here and type in your camera to find your camera app. Okay, once you load your camera app, I don't have it, so yours is going to look a little different. However, you're going to hold your picture up to the screen and it's going to take the picture. After you're done taking the picture, it will end up in your download files. So here it is. Okay, so check to make sure it's there first. But then you want to go to your assignment, and to add a picture, you actually want to click on what slide you want. You want to go to, why is this not big enough? You want to go to Insert, Picture. From this device, you want to click Choose File Name, and it'll bring you here. Click Download, and you want to choose your image. Click Open, and it will insert your picture. Okay? If you take a picture on your cell phone, you want to make sure that you take your picture. You want to email it to yourself. So then you want to go to your email. You want to click and download your picture. And you want to click Save. Not print. You want to click Save. So File, click Save. Okay. Once it's saved, it will go to your pictures here. So you can just click Save. And then you're going to do the same process over again. You're going to go to your PowerPoint. You are going to click Insert, Picture. From this device, choose Files, and then you can choose your image that you want, and you can upload it to your PowerPoint. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, but this should be able to help you.